The Knowledge Library. Daily Current Affairs, News Headlines 19th August 2024. National News. The Indian Navy's frontline stealth frigate, Instaber, has arrived at Esbjerg, Denmark, for a 2-day visit. India Meteorological Department has issued an orange alert for West Bengal, Nagaland, Manipur. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh today released the centenary commemorative coin of Dr. Kalaignnar M. Karunanidhi in Chennai. Raksha Bandhan, the festival of special bond between brothers and sisters, will be celebrated across the country today. The Supreme Court has taken suo motu cognizance of the Kolkata rape and murder case. A bench comprising Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud and Justices J.B. Pardiwala and Manoj Misra will hear the matter on Tuesday. The Principal Secretary to Prime Minister Dr. P.K. Mishra today chaired a high-level meeting to review the status of preparedness for MPOX in the country and related public health measures. External Affairs Minister Dr. Jaishankar called on the Crown Prince of Kuwait, Sheikh Sabah Al Khalid Al Sabah Al Hamad Al Mubarak Al Sabah. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh today inaugurated the Regional Marine Pollution Response Centre at ICG Regional Headquarters in Chennai. The Regional Marine Response Centre will facilitate coordination. The Food Safety and Standards Authority of India, FSSAI, has launched an innovative project to tackle the growing concern of microplastic contamination in food in New Delhi. Foreign Minister of Nepal, Dr. Arzu Rana Deuba arrived in New Delhi on a 5-day visit to India. During the visit, she will hold meeting with External Affairs Minister Dr. Jaishankar. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has congratulated Paetongtarn Shinawatra for being elected as the Prime Minister of Thailand. The Central Consumer Protection Authority has imposed penalty of 3 lakh rupees on Shriram's IS for publishing false and misleading advertising regarding the result of UPSC Civil Service Exam 2022. International News. In Japan, authorities have issued strict heat stroke warnings, urging residents to take precautions, as the country recorded extreme temperatures exceeding 35 degrees Celsius. Chinese authorities have intensified efforts to prevent the import of the MPOX virus as global cases continue to rise. Prime Minister of Malaysia, Dato' Seri Anwar bin Ibrahim, will be on a 3-day visit to India from today. Negotiations on a ceasefire between Hamas and Israel in the Gaza Strip will resume on Wednesday in Cairo. The International Atomic Energy Agency, IAEA, has warned that the nuclear safety situation at the Zaporizhia nuclear power plant is deteriorating after a drone strike nearby. Sports News. Badminton Association of India has sent a team of 39 players to the Asia Under-15 and Under-17 Junior Championships in Chengdu, China, commencing Tuesday. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead. Like, share and subscribe our channel.